Yeah. Two chains. I got 2 rings, I'm 2 chains, I'm too fly, need 2 planes, took 2 hoes from 2 lanes. Beat them both, new game, I ball hard like Melo. I coop the color of yellow, I pet the kitty hello. Shot low, they know, miss me like a free throw. Her knees hurt like D-Rose, I swerved off like Pronto. Let go my ego, I'm 2 chains but I'm 3 cool. Google me if you need to, your girl panties see-through. Been hitting that since preschool. Buy a biscuit, no jelly. It's hot in here, was Nelly. Your girl fat, she got belly. Pee in her face, R. Kelly. Got 4 finals in the week. Add it up, that's no sleep. College tuition ain't cheap. Age next to me, man, fun to cheat. Two chains, nigga. I'm 2 chains, nigga. Bang, bang, nigga. Two chains, nigga. I'm 2 chains, nigga. I'm 2 chains, nigga. Bang, bang. I'm 2 chains, got 2 names, got 2 cars, driving 2 lanes, got 2 rings, that's one more than LeBron James. Big head, small brain, big curves, small frame, big talk, small game, big balls, bone lane. I'm 2 chains, got 4 rings, subtract 3, I'm LeBron James. I'm LeBron James, yeah nigga, I'm LeBron James. Got 2 chains, they both go. I'm super hot, no stove. You super lame, no hoes. Head at school, Amber Cole. My favorite show is Blue Clues. Twerk team on YouTube. ATL, that's new. Eat more chicken, moo. Twitter flow, no Twitter beef. Got 2 freaks between the sheets. Humming on this Twitter bird. Call that there 2 tweets. Two chains. Two chains. Two chains, nigga. I'm 2 chains, nigga. Bang, bang, nigga. Two chains, nigga. I'm 2 chains, nigga. I'm 2 chains, nigga. Bang, bang.